Welcome back. I have the Tribit Stormbox Pro. It's a Bluetooth speaker, portable, and it supports Bluetooth 5.3 and a number of things. We'll get into the unboxing. So first of all, I was very hesitant to go with a brand name that I'm not familiar with, but it's very popular, and most importantly, the design looked very similar to something I've seen on Bose. The Bose Revolve looks somewhat like this. So initially I was very hesitant, but then I've seen like hundreds of reviews on YouTube and heard lots of samples which talk about how good the speaker is. So let's give it a try today. So I'm going to jump into the unboxing. It's a very neatly done box. Love the simplicity of the designs, not too much. It's just a simple white box with a picture of the Tribit speaker. So interestingly, this particular model actually supports TWS or stereo pairing. So we'll get into those details, but let's do the unboxing first. So there you go, a simple cardboard box. Okay. So very neatly done. As you open up, you have a manual. Probably talks about how to set up the speaker and what are the different options we have on this. So that's it. And this is a charging cable. It's got Type-C. And then we have the speaker itself. Let me get the box out of the way. I have a really cramped small office space, or office desk should I say, at home, so please bear with me while I manage it in this limited space. So not too much of packaging, so I think that's somewhat environment friendly. And yeah, this is the Tribit. It's got a wonderful cloth grill. I mean, I love the texture. You can feel that. It's got a nice rubber handle as well. It's got a matte and kind of a rough finish, so wonderful texture. It feels very, very premium. And I think this is the obvious volume up and downs, and this is probably an action button of some sort. We have X bass, which kind of bumps up the bass, and this is the battery level indicator, Bluetooth, and the power on. That's it. And this is the Tribit logo. So wonderful, neat little package. I got it around 9,000 Indian rupees on Amazon. Its retail price is around 14,000. So I think it's somewhere around $100 in US and other places. But yeah, it's not too expensive, at the same time not very cheap as well. So you could expect good amount of sound quality and build quality out of this for the price. And honestly speaking, I am satisfied with the overall build. It looks strong enough to be carried around. You can probably use it in a party somewhere. It has a rubber base, so they have thought about a few things. And most importantly, the Bluetooth speaker has two modules. There is a deeper subwoofer and two small tweeters lined up on the sides. So I'll power it up and we can see how it sounds. But otherwise, very neat.